Super sparker. The lightning bolt is a dramatic example of static electricity in action. You see lightning when a spark of moving electrons race up or down between a cloud and the ground or between two clouds. The moving electrons bump into air molecules along the way, heating them to a temperature 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. This hot air expands as a supersonic shock wave, which we hear as a thunder. Let us use this principle to make a super sparker which produces a lot of electric sparks. Materials required are scissors, Styrofoam tray from your supermarket. Ask the meat or bakery counter for a clean, unused tray. Aluminum plate. Masking tape. The procedure is as follows. Cut a piece of one corner of the styrofoam tray. You should have a long bent piece that looks a little like a hockey stick. Tape the bent piece to the center of the pie tin. Now you have a handle. Rub the bottom of the styrofoam tray on your hair. Rub it all over really fast. Put the tray upside down on a table or on the floor. Use the handle to pick up the aluminum plate. Hold it about a foot over the styrofoam tray and drop it. Now, very slowly, touch the tip of your finger on the plate edge. Wow, what a spark! Be careful and don't touch the styrofoam tray. If you do, you won't get a spark. Use the handle to pick the plate again. Touch the tin with the tip of your finger. Wow, you get another great spark. Drop the plate onto the styrofoam tray again. Touch the plate. Another spark. Use the handle to pick up the plate. More sparks. You can do this over and over for a long time. If the plate stops giving you a spark, just rub the styrofoam tray on your head again and start over. What happens? When styrofoam is rubbed on the hair, electrons are pulled off the hair and piled up on the styrofoam. When you put an aluminum pie tin on the styrofoam, the electrons on the styrofoam pull on the electrons on the aluminum tin. Some of the electrons in metals are free electrons, that is, they can move around inside the metal. The free electrons in the aluminum tin try to move as far away from the styrofoam as they can. When you touch the pie tin, these free electrons leap to your hand, making a spark. After the electrons jump to your hand, the pie tin is short of some electrons. When you lift the pie tin away from the styrofoam plate, it attracts the nearby electrons to make up for shortage of electrons. If you hold your finger close to the metal, electrons jump from your finger back to the pie tin, making another spark. The whole process can be repeated